Hello friends. Welcome to Assignment Hippo. Let's understand. What is database? A database refers to an electronically preserved and accessible set of data. The data is saved so that users do not encounter any search and modification challenges in a structured and correct manner. This is necessary to create an archive, so all the information and documentation have to be stored so they can be used to update or revisit at a later date. This is exchanged with various applications by the use of a DBMS. In simple words, a database is a systematic collection of data. Since the data in a database is organized, it makes data management easy. Now understand what is database management system? Database management system is a collection of programs which enables its users to access database, manipulate data and help in representation of data. Let's discuss few examples. Let's consider the Facebook. It needs to store, manipulate and present data related to members, their friends, member activities, messages, advertisement. In today's date there are thousands of students who are pursuing their computer science course in different universities and looking for professional assistance. Here, Assignment Hippo provides academic services to all students from school level to college level. We make sure that we provide constant communication throughout the process and listen to all of your tips and suggestions regarding your assignment. We value our relationship with our clients. We keep all the details confidential. We provide best quality assignment with 100% plagiarism-free and best and affordable price. Our experts are well prior to the time limit. This provides the students a little time to evaluate and request for assignment modifications. You only need to follow a few easy steps to place an order, or you can use our live chat option, which is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and a customer service representative will assist you in seconds. You may also look for the greatest deals for your first assignment, group assignments, and referral deals. Thousands of students have benefited from our assignment writing service, and you can read their evaluations on our and other review websites. Because of our assignment help service, they were able to achieve good grades on their assignments. So, what are you waiting for? Place your purchase today and take a step forward in your academic career with our online assignment assistance services.